Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and install Claude Sonnet 4.6 for free locally on your machine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google, search for Ollama.com/download and download from this button. After downloading Ollama, you can get it right here, install it, and you can get Ollama here locally on your PC. After downloading Ollama and installing Ollama, you go to this link. You can get on the link on the description. Claude Sonnet 4.6. The last update is 4 days ago. Okay, click this copy and go here to command prompt, paste right here and hit enter. And the installing of Claude Sonnet 4.6 is begin. Okay, as you can see guys, the installation of the Claude Sonnet 4.6 is finished. Let's test it. Let's see how. Okay, as you can see, this works fine. Let's move to the next step. Close this. Open VS Code. Okay, after opening VS Code, you have to go right here, go to File here, open folder, choose any folder as you want. I want to choose this H folder. Okay, after that, let's go here to extensions and search for this extension. Continue, install it. After that, search for Ollama. Install this extension. Yes. Okay, after that, let's go here to my on continue. Close this. Select model, add chat model, and provider choose Ollama model auto detect. Okay. For us, we have installed this Claude Sonnet 4.6. It's detected automatically. Okay, this is it. Okay, create a website about the life of Yamal. Okay, still me who is Jamal. Jamal is Yamal. Musician is Yamin Yamal. Okay, as you can see guys, start generating HTML. Index.html, style.css, structure of the website, and it's still generating. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this tutorial.